osubetimi ati na onye kese bebre enka ho
but we are working dog ye nyim ne ekọ ho na omokeka we nyina kire e me ni da ho
and make say okọ antenatal normally eto de bi omo antenatal classes
they say the omo school crowd
antenatal school ano okọ ye kire we nyina e kire wo question bi a do ebisa intenye bibia na bia midwife metimi aka kire nto kan kakra baby so midwife make kind bibi say e no kra na no a church matro because ebia sada na ni re
but
another school no obeka kire so it's better say at least one ofefra unso betimi akenkan ne mebi into kwa wo ni hu we no kra na no so a church matro
okay enti anu anti ne nyinsan ne awo no botaye se ani suwa no say ye nyina no ye behunu bibi mpo ansa na ya fefro na ifro no mu fa kosisi ye be wo nso no ne ye hunu bibia fi se se we no unimu a bi wo ho aye ye mpa ya kenkan ye nsa mpa questions ubisa ye kwa de ya trama ye na anu ani ye di so ba me ye sure say ne discussion na ye se unim se na uwe say na say wonyim ye we aba abeka ho a no wahu say ade abeka ho na ye normal na say enye normal ma ye kese mroso sa eno na bamu wahu na say wahu we no mu nyina no a won say na say bia midwife fa na ni so bi go nipa no kra doso e bia na obi amusa na ono so dey na kra fa na wantimi anka na say nyina ye nenamu enso bia anka ye hunu ye busa ya ke bia ye be hunu say bebi omudro na ekro no ye nte so because obi o hu ne slim when I'm Muslim, so no you obese.
And I make us say it's mainly your BMI
and you determine
ubeti me the way near so we there osha obey overweight.
Yeah.
But obe check no be a non overweight.
Ebi kro bi a osunu moma wo hu ne say no overweight.
And no normally wo hu BMI no enye weight no nko a eye weight and height. Senior wo tintin eye no ese se wunya corresponding weight. We titia and yes we say
okay
into we tentin they expect you to be a certain range, so it's not just standing out who so ye kese a height no so eka ho
okay and for nyinsan ni awo na utie wadom 106.3 FM wajen kire wo de ba Facebook live wadom 106.3 ye bekin kan and so de amount George Badu also a showing free Brooklyn New York, yeda se papa, you are too much. Samuel Afezi, and Afeji. Donko, yeda se papa, Kese Isaac, and so Italy no shaying free, yeda se papa, Pearl, and so as a good evening, thanks to my personal doctor for the education. And you knew Benim Nampa, that winning Pearl. A personal doctor no yada se pastor on social media Nestino Uswa say good evening if you are thanks for today's topic ye show live from Australia yet Austria mo yada se papa na mamaga fafa grants I'm pregnant with what triplets but it's been over a month now I haven't gained any weight I was weighing 234 pounds and my weight hasn't changed over a month now. I'm 26 weeks now. Please, is my weight normal? Watching from where? New Jersey. Yeah, sure. NJ now watching no. Did I go be ya no dia mama gan fafa grant? Lady no. What's any question no? On yim ta form yensa. And over a month now no on gaining weight be na away 2-3-4 pounds. And I say on the New Jersey he never know
pounds. The fan is it's roughly like half.
Okay.
It's half of pound to give you like kilogram. Into 2-3-4, it's over 100 kilograms. It means
no triplets.
And I make a young fan is normally say obewo akola akola ba ku weight no ewo ho. Owo ntafo weight no enye akese te sa akola ba ku weight no.
O sa hu asa omoche.
Omo anye so omoche ba. Omumu nye young fan say bia say obewo akola normal e bia the weight be bia 2.5 to like about 4 kg and young fan say bia o the average akola dey 3.5 kg. Twins average weight na inye 2. Abeba form kakra maybe about 2.1.
Omumienu.
There be bako.
Okay.
Inti weight no enkwasro ebia their instance abewo twin bako here 3.5 kg. The other one 3.5 kg. it means you already have 7 kg in there. Not triplets, not third one say 3.5 kg.
Hey.
That one means you have like over 10 kg. And no one they mean by the time you do 28 weeks na ebia. So idea body na into say oh what triplets are omonye akese to say dia oh baako no. Ebia no maybe due to placenta.
Yes, mama God no. That's all exercise.
And I make her say exercise when you ma.
And I did the impo fine.
Aha. E did you into no say or call me doctor wha. There are several ways on betting your bano. Or they will just ebia so much screening or ebia diabetes maybe any ho or ma check no BP fine. Ebia ma check no cholesterol, everything is fine now. Omemana worry. Then you need to start losing weight.
Ebe me dese sanko betimi afra na nke enya more detail say bia we kwa the first time ana say no betimi aboya ma yenya emuye nti no ebra no so ne ebie phone lines a wo question bia no de ba na dog etimi ayi no e de amount na yemran kra no so em say na ye hwe mothers in effect sani mu ye du a ye hwe na enkra no wo ka bi na ye shift ko ye
mothers de kra no ka kitwe
fe no so na
yemfa enka yemfa no say bia to say aka diabetes hypertension ne nke ka ho no aya normally omo nkola omo ya kese and also the one thing and maybe due to say bia omunya diabetes na because
from
pregnancy no omo wa ya nkola no soso as compared sani amekai no say also it's likely so and also ho and also an infant say bia hospital kra na settle am won say ye dey e pack to e
ni comedian na abusui
ba omo edu kakra
na no honam nko a
na no so hwehwe a and also they are at increased risk of CS because if you fancy bia sell your money draw now one canon nyama bebre so they also have an increased risk of CS internal so as crazy CS na you know or so nti ekro no wo no so
check
na no so san check kakra nti ni nyina che say bia so ma so te kakra ansana and now for baby na me kan no and I me kan say akola no eso bebra ebia premature because akola no mo edu pressure on cervix now will be to me account no about one thing ebi nso ho there's also another school of thought say awo enkom montem
oh sir
internal so this be dey do shower say and the operation now because no so bi ha etimi etwem eno and I make say send your moya kese na be shoulder dystocia say wuji na afi na aka nti eno during pregnancy no ye assessing nyina ye hu say bia operation ni be better as compared to say ye bema wan kasa wa senia enko ka baby na enye problem and operation so na ekoyen so na ekuro no
eche buo no
nti so tia we nyina
be avoid ye be timi atwam kura
and it's been shown say enkola omoye akese babies that are big no in later life no sometimes they develop diabetes nti say oye kese bebre aye wo na ultimately develop diabetes in later life. Oh, that's a new study. And also, and now oye kese no so ebu o ya wo no na ni sugars e wo form. Nti just say o check continuously. I say na man start or start feeding intensive.
But the whole case will develop diabetes. Now so no akra ya wo no enye na akra diabetic.
Onye diabetic at that time, but they have increased risk of having diabetes as compared to like normal weight babies. Yes. So normally babies born of diabetic mothers have increased risk of having diabetes. Okay.
Today you bit me and you avoid it.
And I make us say be say akola so your own na ni mu edu bebre house wa. I na the sugar for coffee. Internal san I see a check almost maybe 2 hours be. No I check. And I send my also started breastfeeding.
And no for about 2 days grand mile.
And also Inti enosa no say ye wo no na onufuso ne mba there are several ways I bet me feed akola no inti nye nufuso no kwa but nufuso no ye best they will tell you say within 30 minutes so was initiating breastfeeding into within 30 minutes now they no to anokra with time done enum no kra e bit am nufuso no aba na ya checking sugar or former you dey be ya ma no nse no dey be jama yeah especially into edu ho a sakola no sugar no former you wo ekwan be fa so ne dey aboa no
me nua bi de no question about Facebook ebum sika o say obeso o yes pregnant woman ni mu odo betimi aye keto
for the main thing about keto last time I'm not your boss back keto is a high fat diet, low carb diet. It is fats no also. But the main thing is are the fats good? So fats no if a trans fats we are not like we want only the good fat. We want only the good fat. So normally as I said when you ma we need bits of everything. Into one no na babe dieting. And more kwala. Into when you see your dietitian, you see your obstetrician, you see your midwife. That's what we family physicians do. If you come to me and you are pregnant, it's a teamwork. Or because my culture said that mouse won't say Nasa in India.
Better when you
problem.
I feel about one
so those ones I wouldn't really advise for that one.
Okay.
If you think you are too big, then you lose weight before you get pregnant. If you are pregnant, you see your obstetrician, you see your dietitian. There are several ways you can help you. There are several ways you can be because there are things you guys mean you because there are cravings and there are reasons. Yeah, boss, like I said, you have cravings because that's what your body needs at that time. And it's all better so na bibisa.
It's all control who kakra. The end of no but it's all control who it's all control who. Well, a bit more yeah. I been say what try yeah. Pay for only the was all yes lema kochira ho you. Nana say what day jumo sister Fia please ask doctor that what causes the back and rib pain in pregnancy? Could it be your baby is big? Usisi challenge is usisi no to push.
For 16 there I was this in why I said
anyway what you know
start earlier once and fan say send ya chicken veg and it no which say that's one thing obi catcher and say Africans are boy onyema once onyema we say obu say oh now they are colana shibichi now you say so it corrects it for you. That's what someone said about Africans, but you haven't backache, waist pain, flank pain doesn't mean so your baby is big. And say everyone so ebi esusu wefu. Wefu ni ebe 45 and now bibisa maybe wait the 30 weeks. Wefu ni ebe almost 39. And the better one is wefu no so. Ebi ana akola no so. Ebi ana nsu na ewo akola no ho ene so. Ebi ana mo ye akola mienu ana miensa. Ebi ana echira de. Nti wefu na ebe kese no na ebi betima ka se ebi ana na
Amma okay. Hey.
But pregnancy no ewo baby obetime nya almost everything can have waist pains and account and there. If a broso a onhune doctor.
No. NYINSEN ni awo na o hwe no. Utie nso wadom 106.3 FM. Nemum hwe no so se Instroma season 2 no. Ya hyehye so kumasefo ya ye audition no. Takra tamale so sa wo chena nyame ya dom omo takrade. Takrade Melody Hotel any STC yard na ehwe ochna Catholic Guest House ye takrade ochna 8th September hone yeko na nyame ayadom a Melody Hotel and so ne STC yard 12 and 13 September and so edie no na yaba Accra Erata Hotel ye 14th and 15th September. It's Roman Krana mwenya 8 to 12 years. So unyum to said righteous no ni Shrabane Ashley Chooks ne omo akeka kan abaye omudi ekuri season 2 ne na eba nti awofo mo ma no talent no ho amuni won pie Adom TV ye wazo ye nsroma ye hren nti edu ho pe mo ya ade amomra na ye nto aso na mo manwumre de NYINSEN ni awo ene ye di ho nkomo mahu se me hwene no ebo wo mu pa mo fa ncheme sa Adom praise hira no bia no ye soku Holy Spirit na sa ye ni aso asi ho ye do ma no masekura ye do mase papa afi 10 years Adom praise mo ya de mo ba mane ye fe musicians zuzu obi anya small Hey, so ja wo mo a o mbeto a ma de ache. Nyankopon hira obi a mo hwe ye mo a mo ba ho. De mo hwe ye bia Nyankopon hye mo na mu papa ye da mo sponsors no so ye da mo sepa sanka ma sponsor ka ye ntimi fa dwom to 4 atwotwo akese we mu nyina ama. Nti se ade ache na wote asofo ne Adom FM ne namu a na ya seda nko a ne de ma Nyankopon hira mo papa. Obesity in pregnancy oba umudro dog enkura ne de na em say when we
it was almost done and I'm kind so prematurity big babies they also have
diabetes
and they say how
have me because is it this year early this year say confirm no che kumase enkura anya diabetes na was row
yes
na was row na have me pam say akura wanya diabetes de na say wodi nyini ana nti na ama wo kana me pese me busa say o say wo kan ye me busa say nti akura na ye ba wo na wo diabetic dada ma wo say enya ne sa but possibility say obenya bi no high nti na ama mani abrem because akura ye ba wo na wo bisa de ha adwen na mama ga asa ba biem it's my first pregnancy mama ga de na o nyem I said the first pregnancy. I don't have any related pregnancy diseases.
Good.
No BP, cholesterol is good. Everything is normal. My height is 5.8 inches. Mama gami tu chama. What nimni bibia into ocean profile kakra or dia maya.
So the main thing is once like US it's like inches and pounds. If Uncle MK to say I'm a kind of Tuesday that will be like over 100 kg. 100 kg is obesity in pregnancy. Based on but everything is fine for her and all can the BP everything so the main thing she can do is then she will just shed off the pounds
ebi kura mama me sure so obesa de ababi ebi a family na kese enso wo nti ano so me enye no so why Nyankopon hira pa na say the mama ga timi enya no ho profile kame ye bie phone line se pa na me nyopimfo bi online no so ana de ekunu bi mfra me nkire ne yire ne cholesterol yeah bompa ye questions bisa so nya wow doctor atro no midwife atro wan so wo book na wo jote sa na mani nyina down ntudu ba bia na emergency bia awo bia ka wo a woni mo profile ne dada e bia no wantimi an call hospital a awo ne kan wa kwan mu ba bi wodi we mu kwa awo na omu hu bibi ana wo tiri mu ka doctors no so say ne eyi networking onu so ni na ye kwa no Marilyn Ousua Ajimai. Doctor, please, I'm pregnant with twins. My foot and face are all swollen, but my BP is cool.
And America, no, the mere fact say you get pregnant, no. Online bit me I can see.
Oh, when me so touch them, minimum be an touch a man and couldn't move on Katana no.
So those ones are not bad. If after checking online can see when na BP normal, you check your Johnson na protein anymore, then we know say it's the physiological side of the pregnancy. No bad sir.
Okay. Na yensu so ni nchine so. Ya omo aye nan tata ibu ya na yese salt no.
Yes, salt is me who said I mention. Yeah. Me pina nkwe. But nchine retaining water. So if enchine baby it gets water to the body, a bit more and then so the thing is, main thing is about salt to taste, not over. But I start to say beer, na you say beer, a broso na say enchine. And mammy so new and you tell me I'm pessimist. Can you say no one in Chino? Catch me say still no to the befra and one on your phone lines and 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. Now also do the by fear. Good evening, Yvonne Kofi. Please, is it good to use any ointment on your waist pain during pregnancy? Dog. Yeah.
Concentration. No. I'm so be what's up. Dog. And Yvonne Kofi, do you know? And watch. Say yes. Set with the ointment
for topical things for waist pains are normal. Yeah, idea what they what really.
What they but more French.
Oh. So the those things like once a kind normally a year product product so better to say just wrap it means better to just apply so it depends on what the product is. Sometimes you just have to apply it there and that'll be all. But since it's topical, no, we really don't have a problem.
Okay, see your phone lines no also do the but for aba humano so 0302 216561 odo yam adwodo ba NYINSEN ni awo so.
Hello.
Papa ya chia wanyu mre na udi ni baby afre yemfi.
FM Jake make us happy Arabaka.
Yo.
But fear but also me bisa question be to da bi uhu obi a ebia wonye. Na wasa share jeans papa tin sa de no bet me aha kwara no kwan bi so ana.
Okay.
And after number 2. Also ebi wo a ebia bebia muti no to say let my road we na futu bibri na fie no ben ho futu na betimi aha mama na ebia kwara betina nya be develop asma na bibi sa wo mama ni so ana
yo dog be ya no the amount dog ya trotro point no gu o maye na ye da se ba Jake nsam no de ehu hia no pa ofofro so wa homa no so odo ya mo adwodo ba NYINSEN ni awo so low radio no maye mpa.
Okay.
Ya da se ya mo adwo na udi ni baby afre yemfi.
But show me the
K-Mante na Kenya ya de kwaku ana akwadwo.
Kwesi.
Nti kwesi mante. Papa yenti o.
Bitia Dr. Foley.
It's dog ajoso.
Na me pese me busa ne say me what or ya pese when 8 months ni. Na or complaining I want to return. And this is the second.
Pacho or complaining dia.
I want to reach next one.
Okay.
Any but first one on you know and then but this time I'll complete pass any but still company midwife and the doctor in town month me and papa be answer everything dance on
oh okay
but complete
ne first one oba na bema ni we bi oba we no obeye yi agata ba dog be ya no dia ma ya da se papa yemfa ofofro nso ba obi question bi obusa ha erama ansan se onyem na omoye twins ni wait swati no different one obi erama had another question to confuse me but the first question is say onyem twins ni wait so aba form normal erama kro ya sa dia ba se my first and second pregnancy it wasn't like that please is it because they are twins I can't even sleep enti no dog fa no to na we ya no ama no odo ya mo adwo ba NYINSEN ni awo so di ni baby afre mfi
oh mama ajo
now free him papa
free station
yo yentie we
me person bisa doctor say abofra no maame no eso dada ana abofra no so esan so ewo yefunu no eno ne ba ne sa na ne birth no ewo no no it could be possible say ebeye cesarean na say obetimenya etinya wo ne sa
yo dog be ya no dia ma o ahyase no kan but mane na ha na obe ya no dia ma o foforo nso aba odo ya mo adwo ba NYINSEN ni awo so di ni baby afre yemfi
Femi David me flefi sekeswa
o free he
sekeswa
ewo he fa
ewo ifte region
yo ya da se papa yentie we
pacho me ban wanya 7 months na so ompedi ediane ena onum ntiusu
ti waye dey
o 7 months ye man ediane a ondi isu so a onum
eya oba
ai
or 7 months
ai o 7 months
na wo shoro na udidi
ani dia mint chero
ya busa se usuba no wafa na wife nso
ote
wife nso opeduane
no me dia opeduane kakra
na wo pe wo so opeduane
ai media kakra pa na kondi mi
mate we your first born na
oh we fourth born
no mu nyina sa na omote
dabi
we nkwa ho
ai
mate dog be ya no dia ma ya da se yemfa last caller ode mo adwo ba NYINSEN ni awo so low radio no maye ye pacho. Yeah, that's papa. Now free here.
I'm free.
Yes. Yeah, eh.
I'm family drive of Adom. Men and the son, no, mammy, the July.
Ah, ma Julie, Auntie Julia does say. Latter form we are dear.
Don't want to remember. Oh, I'm about time ago for them when you're blue. We are king. Make sure you're right.
Yada se papa Auntie Julie no do free tea radio nyene yada se pa yemfa course ni si ana afofro abaso yemfa last one na dog ntimi yinsem na no oh ateko fache ye dog me say questions ni bia bedu ho nti yenyi ho ano na maba Facebook nso abefa kakra nso ha ye last caller no yemfa ni de ni nwuram ne ba 7 months oni di onu musu
for after me di 7 months means say almost started complimentary feeding amano ye the aduane for eka nufu nsuo no ho amano so 1 month after say obeja there a beye problem kakra they are now getting used to the food in tonsesa aduane ne mano say bia and then no best start bia rice porridge it should just change with time obehu dia akola ne pepper into man nye worry too much because at least onum for no it's just a month after say bia we jai exclusive breastfeeding so just take time it's just like that with time
kakra okay say other questions also
and obi beside say maame no so na kwa no so and no sad ye assessment any beye to say that me kind oba we have near my beya more be who say bia obetimi wan kasa obetimi awo based on your height, based on your shoe size. Yes, some may pelvimetry.
Shoe nyina bem.
Oh yeah. It's a make us a okwa ANC. First page no hon. Questions dey be sound. Yem be sound okay, be sound for
a reason.
For a reason, but people really don't understand the reasons why.
So first na nti ho ani ho nti na ye nwanwa no.
Nti ye bisawo so those questions.
Yeah, busa shoe size nyina. Then no effect be no pregnancy ni so.
Yem fa dey say so height less than 1.5 meters, like 150 centimeters. You have an increased risk of having maybe cesarean section. Because no which I say o pelvis no is
okay. Okay, say doctor Refini kwabna o marebe kan say a man tientia no okay
na kan wenti e check your height e bitimi
ba no shoe no na make kan wan say
shoe size o beka size 5 minim size 5 na no be dey wa hifa
bimpo minim then 33
and no dey can mean and but like if you are a size 5 or less or something that one to the same as the height
okay
into my me no I can say no omo your assessment e dey ensa hye ho e bia pelvis you say bia a educator fine baby and the funo so na omo susu ne SFH ne funo na e brosto a you be operation amano but as soon as you go to the hospital no midwife and the doctor no ho no e assessment na they will be able to tell you say wow betimi awo na say bia we dey just say operation into ko no mo ka kira wa anya afi na no ba beji echi ni na ye dey be bo
okay yento aso
and na obi ka say ni weight no akofom o say ba akofom ba I say last one with 20 na cost and I'm kind for you find say
no twins no maba form
twins no aba form in respect to what is it in respect to the weight or the started pregnancy
and say rama answer dog pesa questions no na boa so ntime kura na the questions na do so nti no asa wo paper no so ho ma me fa Nicholas Nicholas dinner for me so if I'm watching you live from Denmark na me din the coffee my wife mabna asa ko Nicholas and my wife is wonya diabetes diagnosing of cell diabetes now what will be the effect on the twins baby and the mother for both short term and long term who say diabetes
who say Yoruba na wo ho ansa na onyem ye
no so onyem ye
gestational good so eno so na na make a problem you infant of a diabetic mother and no say the sugar owo na the sugar na akofo nta make say the bamboo fun so ntem na check it almost babies akese and they also have an increased risk Rebecca said there are other electrolytes that they form, but no yet too much of a problem because baby or bewono. It means so hospital. Yes, be a small health center. They know a county.
Okay. Yeah, time no copper, but my phone breakable star shine. Latte. Or say, why is it that after childbirth, those who lose weight and gain after sometimes easily get diabetes? I'm a victim. I've asked myself plenty questions. Why?
She gained weight or
those who as a onyemono ne sote then after no wo ye no ne mu asa be yedu ama when you teach
but like the main thing is pregnancy a stressful situation.
Okay.
That's why in pregnancy hormones a bit when you diabetes almost all those hormones go up, so it can predispose you to diabetes. Ebian say gestation diabetes and no uwie pe na ekọ.
Okay.
But even that one na ekọ no ebi wo ho a uwie enko na stay into a bia na ne de sa. It means say bia one check or check frequently and ko be hu say bia after that no the sugars were still up.
Ado for mre no kokra for many so. Questions ne by pa mo fancha me ba wo kokolebu a na obusa Dr. Ofori Kramwa on sabeka no omo de omo numbers de omo mfanto ha ba wo challenge bia with a topic na ya kana ko hu gaini ana ko hospital na Dr. Formwa Dr. Ofori Kramwa resident Department of Family Medicine Kolebu yada say nwure wanya bracheche mo questions ne do so ko adom Facebook a no answer bia mo mama why yada se medi afia mankwa tamaklo mabna do mankwa yada se papa Dr. Shine yada se sanso Tito Bianso Yadasi and Nelly Nadian to Facebook, more Troy, more share, Yadamunina, Catholic GDA, etwaso.